Hey, real estate investors, it's me, Carla Dennis, America's tax advisor. And I have to tell you, we're in some turbulent times right now. But as I look at what's going on in the marketplace, what's going on as a result of COVID-19, I'm looking at the opportunity. Yes, here in California, they are telling us that we cannot evict tenants for not paying their rent as a result of COVID-19. My gut is, and I'm not a crystal ball, I don't have that, but at some point, I'm thinking the market may take a dip in real estate, and I think that you and I need to be ready. We need to have a strategy in place as to what we are going to do in the event that the market takes a dip. As a real estate investor, you always want to have a strategy in place. You always want to be in a position to make sure that no matter where this economy is, whether the market is creeping up in real estate or whether the market is going to take a dip, you always want to be strategic in your thought process, strategic in your taxes, and always have a strategy. Because as a real estate investor, you should be paying almost zero tax. I am Carla Dennis. I am America's tax advisor, and I am going to tell you to click on the link below. Join me for a strategy session because real estate investors, you should be leveraging that real estate from a tax perspective to reduce your tax bill, not from a mortgage perspective. There's so many things that you can do to reduce your taxes, so many write-offs you can have. You gotta learn how to write off almost anything. You gotta learn all the real estate strategies to employ. Join me and my team on a complimentary strategy session, and we're gonna teach you what you need to know so that you can leverage your position, reduce your tax bill. I am Carla Dennis. I am America's tax advisor. I can't wait to chat with you. Join me, join my team. Let's get a strategy session going, complimentary for you.